A code 6 party was just reported heading westbound on Hastings Road. Can I get someone to start up that way, please?
Got the other info?
Announce the movement still right. A super song for the cause. Feel a load on your brain for the episode. It was just begun. Brother Black, the beat is back. And you don't know if you're still, I will take 3 jams and hold them. This was I told them. Rock the other side, the sucker lied. Said he was shocking but never tried it. So I took him away, I never stayed, y'all. He made a jam to get you slammed back to back in the place where the suckers are for. Whatever it takes to make it hardcore. That's what you fight for. Pulling your ride, the DJ decides to play it on the A side. He gives it a never really gives it a people request the best on the B side. Food for the brain, beat for the feet. People on the dance floor never claiming a receipt. Had a good time rock and rolling on the go-round. The rhythm supplied by the superior B-side. They had to twist and turn and shout. Chords, get your
requesting units to start up.
Can you give me more info on that call?
Complainant hung up before we could get a description. Stand by, we're trying to call them back.
I'll check it out, I'm 10-6.